Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day ahead. This is Jasper and welcome back to DE Mama. Please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos and if you want more videos like this, please hit the button like and the notification bell. Don't forget to hydrate and drink enough water because cold weather days are ahead and dry skins and scabs are very prominent in this season. So drink lots of water because a happy mommy is a happy baby. Today I would like to hear your stories regarding your revelation day. It's the big day. How did your husband or your partner react upon hearing the good news? I know for sure most of you are anxious, afraid, happy, joyous, jubilant, so whatever they call it. Yeah, I'm interested in finding out how did it go with you moms. Did it go well or not? So by me, I was like I'm holding this pregnancy test in my hand, and then I was thinking what is the best way to tell him, like most of the moms here, they have like this pranks or things that really planned things of delivering that they are pregnant to their husband or partner. So I was just holding this pregnancy test with it's two positive pregnancy tests that I'm holding, and I don't know, I just put them inside a box, but then I think it's not a good idea, so I just hand it to him. Unfortunately, he just wakes up, and I think it's not still sinking in that he saw this test. Anyway, so yeah, it's like there's a lot of funny stories about that, and I would love to hear from you. Today, let's talk about how to get the most out of your insurances. We all know that Germans pay up to 40% of their taxes. So it's only a roundabout. So let's say 1/3 of your gross income goes only to taxes and insurances. And those are automatically deducted on your salary. So when you see your salary breakdowns, it's already there. So it's really a big amount of money, but it really pays well. Once you have health insurance here in Germany, all is well. You can just go to the clinic or hospital and show them that I'm insured. Here's my card, take it. And yeah, so it's really nice to have here. Though that's the one thing that I like the most here in Germany. Although we pay bigger taxes, a large amount of taxes, it really pays off. You can really see that what you pay, you really can use it. And yeah, almost everyone here have health insurance because before we step our foot on this country, we are already insured. We must be insured. So let's talk about it. So let's have an example. Me, I'm insured under AOK Rheinland-Pfalz. So it's like gesetzliche Versicherung. As per Google, it's legally insured. So yes. And AOK, they have this online app, like mobile app, and then you can register there and you can see some programs and bonuses and the packets, like packages for pregnant women, or you can even call them. So it's the one thing that I regret calling them early. I did, but it's just in the latter part of the pregnancy, and it's advisable really to be in touch with your health insurance providers and ask them what are the things that are covered that while you were pregnant, because no one knows when you went to your OB gynecologist and you have to undergo this procedure or exam and you have to pay from your own pocket, and they will tell you that some health insurances covers it, but we need to you to pay it first. So in that case, you really have to be knowledgeable enough, or you have to really contact your health insurance representative. So I did ask them, like, after undergoing this oral glucose tolerance test, I thought they cover it, but unfortunately no, unless you are having diabetes or gestational diabetes. So yeah, I paid it on my own pocket. So yes, let's take a look on the list. Anyway, I'm gonna write on the description below the list. This is specifically under AOK Rheinland-Pfalz because sometimes it varies from region to region and from health insurances to other health insurances. So better ask them. Number 1, ultrasound. Number 2, Toxoplasmose-Test. Number 3, triple test. Number 4, Nackenfaltenmessung. 5, Antibody-Stimmung auf Ringelröteln and Windpocken. Number 6, Streptococcus B-Test. Number 7, Zytomegalie-Test. Number 8, PH-Selbsttest. Number 9, pregnant multivitamins, or pregnant vitamins that contains iron, magnesium, and folic acid. Number 10, family room. And number 11, first trimester screening. So I want to share you guys my experience regarding some things about this. Like, for example, the first trimester screening test. My OB gynecologist offered this to me, and this should be done like for about before you turned 3 months, because more than that, this test cannot be done. That's why it's called first trimester screening. And this test detects chromosomal defects or birth defects like trisomy 21, and either you decline this or you accept that. So my husband and I declined this because we think it's unnecessary and the procedure is so expensive, and that time I didn't know that the AOK covers this. But it's okay because we really don't want to make it, since my husband and I decided to go all the way through the pregnancy not knowing if the baby have chromosomal defects or whatsoever, because the baby is ours and we love our baby. We don't care if she has something or so. Fortunately, she is healthy. So yeah. And the next one is the family room. So you have to know and ask them how much money will they cover, like the cost. So I've heard that they cover like around 100 euros per night, if I'm not mistaken. And family room is very advisable once the baby is there, because sharing a room with other moms is so toxic for me, because at night when the baby cries, it's really stressful. It's really uncomfortable, and you know what I mean. And lastly, oh no, there's 2 more that I want to share. The Streptococcus V-Test. So this test is done before your due date, around the 9th month or so, or 8th, I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, if you want to have a water bath delivery, you should take this. It's around 30 euro or 35 if I'm not mistaken, but it's very essential because you cannot take water bath delivery if you are positive in Streptococcus B. So they will not allow you. So yes. And last but not the least, these pregnant vitamins that contains iron, magnesium, and folic acid. If I only knew from the very start that it is covered, I should have collected all the receipts that I had. So yeah, it's so regretting. Anyway, I shared it to you guys you can ask them if they can cover it. And if there are other tests or procedures that they cover, please help other moms to know about it. So yeah. So that's it for today. See you next time. So